and stay down! Who is the boss? Weakling? That's the best you can do? I gotta bounce. Biff out. Give me a hand, Jimbo! A little help, please? Sure thing. Stupid bike. That's what I get for riding a poor person's bike. I could do better. Whoa, nice trick. I would say get up and try again. But what's the difference? You'll always be a loser. Give me your bike, loser. The rich get richer. How dare you? For once in your life, could one of you savages not steal? Check me out. I rule. Sorry, didn't see you there. Excuse me. Ew. Can poor rub off on you? Poor people are ridiculous. Aren't you my gardener's son? Does your mom clean my house? Keep it up and you'll be knocked out by the champ. Out of my way, loser. Get bent. Now I have to shower. Filthy dropout. Ugh. You smell like gasoline and failure. Stupid nerd. The rich inherit the earth. Wait till I tell my father. He's an attorney. You are going to so wish you didn't do that. So this is what it feels like to get knocked down. I have a thing. I'll see you around. I was supposed to call my chick. We'll talk later. I gotta go. Later. My dad's jet is way more exciting. It's cool, I guess, for a crappy fare. Help me out already! I think I need a hand with him. Where are you going, loser? Running only makes me madder. You are so lucky. You can't hide in there forever. I thought I was in better shape than this. She'd totally dig me if I had a car. Float like a butterfly, sting like a... I need to come up with something new. One day, I'll be king. Does my trust fund kick in at 18 or 21? I wonder how many 7-year-olds I could beat up. I've had enough of this garbage. This is ridiculous. I don't even know where to begin. Good job. Way to go. I was just thinking. Guess what I heard? It's a fact that greaser chicks are 50% easier to score with. But who would want to? My father donated all that money to build the new library, and yet I'm still forced to go to classes with these greaseballs. She's been with almost the entire starting lineup. All she needs is a left tackle and a slot back. I can't believe how many of the have-nots they let into this place these days. I heard somewhere that rich people use a higher percentage of their brain. I think we would be more competitive if we tossed all the loser poor people out of the school. Did you hear? There's a new kid coming to school. He's supposed to be some type of badass. The carnival is coming back soon. I hope it doesn't suck this year. I hear it's about to pop off with the greasers. I heard the nerds are starting a war with the jocks. They are screwed. I know that punk Jimmy is behind this somehow. Did you see what happened to Mr. Burton? That was so awesome. That's nuts. I know, right? How crazy is that? Cool, right? I'm so stupid. This is gonna end so badly. Man, that sucked. I can't believe I screwed that up. That's what you get. We all got problems. I'm sorry you feel that way. Well, what do you want from me? Deal with it. This place has gone to the birds. They let anyone in here now. I remember when being a student at Bulworth meant something. This place is going down. I have to leave. It was good talking to you, but I have to run. I'm out. One of these days, the greasers are going down, and I'm gonna be the man that does it. Things are gonna change at this school when I'm running things. When I have some free time, I might take Johnny Vincent down a peg. I think my dad's gonna bulldoze some low-income housing. That should eliminate some of the losers in this school. Yeah, I guess. I can see where you'd think that. That's cool. You ever fight before? You ever been knocked out? You ever go biking? You ever sneak out at night? Of course. Not in your lifetime. No way, loser. Yeah, it's no big deal. I'm a disgrace. I'm pathetic. That's what I get for sneaking out last night. Maybe one of you could have, tried or something? Do I have to do everything? We suck. Savages. Not cool, man. Not cool. Stop it, jerk. I thought we were friends. I'm gonna beat the poor out of you. I don't know why they say poor people make the best boxers. You know I'm the champ, right? I'm not even trying. I need my nanny. This isn't over by a long shot. My dad is so gonna fire yours. Oh, mommy. You may have beaten me, but I'm still rich. Doesn't mean anything. There was no title on the line. You know they say boxing is 90% mental, but they mean you have to think, not be retarded, flunky. You dress like a tough guy, but you can't actually fight. If you were dumb enough to fight the Bulworth boxing champ, come on, I'm gonna lay you out. After I beat your ass, I'm gonna have your dad fired. You are so totally dead. Boxing takes more than just brawn. How's this for a magic missile attack? I'm +9 for beating dorks. Oh, low blow. You savage! This must be how the Romans felt! I hope you both lose! Finish with the hook! What the F? Saved by the bell! You're not gonna hit me, are you? You're not mad, are you? You wanna go? Feel the force of shepherd's pie, bitches! They are so disgusting! Do you think they can hear me with their super freak hearing? You're the best. You see? This is why we are friends. Pay up, punk. Give me your lunch money or I'll break your face. I'm either gonna eat lunch or kick your ass. You decide which one I do. I suppose I could be bribed. Perhaps you could offer me something. You see? I'm not without compassion. Pleasure doing business with you. I have a feeling that business will be booming with you around. Take this. Hey, it's a great day to be rich. What's up, ma'am? Sir, looking sharp. What's up, hotness? Your hair looks great. Did Jonathan do it? Nice hat. Dig the pants. Cool kicks. Nice shirt. Is that Aquaberry? Money, looks. What more could anyone need? I'd do me. Pay attention here. Listen up. I need you to do me a solid. Could you help me out for a sec? Get a life, jerk. Drop dead. Oh, I'm so short. What's up? You're the worst. Give up already. Stop embarrassing yourself. I can't wait to hit that guy. Get it off me! Great, it's the king of the school. Jimmy's here, big deal. Hey, tough guy. Well, if it isn't the #1 contender. Hey, buddy. Come on, guy, we don't have to fight. You don't want to waste your time on me. Listen, man, I'm not really rich. Don't sweat it, I've got your back. You mess with my friends, you mess with me. That was so cool. Awesome. Well, that sucked. I thought it was gonna be cooler than that. That's it. You're dead! I can't believe you do that! Oh, I love the smell of cherry bombs in the morning. RPG! Oh, smells like a zombie abortion in here. I gotta get out of here. Not exactly couture. Some of the stuff is cool. You know I was just kidding before, right? Hey, how's it going, buddy? You're so cool. You would never hit me. How about I tag you? I think I know who you're looking for. Not that I'm a rat, but I heard... was behind the whole thing. Sit and spin. My fists are registered as weapons. You drop something? Have you ever bird watched? Check this out. Get a load of this. You want a piece of this? You hungry? Cause I got knuckle sandwiches. Keep it up and I'll lay you out. Punks jump up to get beat down. That's it. You're a dead man. I'm a main event. I have no time to fight an undercard. You're lucky I'm 1 strike away from suspension. Otherwise, I would lay you out. I'd fight you, but coach says I have to rest my fists. You want some of this? You want to go? You're not so tough. Come on, let's go. Fresh fish on the line. No hobos allowed. Did your mom dress you today? Nice hair. For a chick. I think I threw those pants out last year. Did you get those shoes at the dollar store? Ooh, a tattoo. How original. You have egg on your face. Literally. Hey, egghead. That's what they get for backing a chump. You may look cool, but you are still a 0. Why me? Whatever. Really? That's funny. You settle down, jerk. If I wanted lip out of you, I would've jiggled my zipper. When I want your opinion, I'll rattle your cage. I suppose you think that's funny. I can't believe you think you can talk to me like that. Tough talk, but can you back it up? Please don't hit me. Not in the face. I'm sorry. I was just kidding. Over here. Come on, follow me. Thanks, I really appreciate this. I think that toilet needs to be cleaned. That wasn't at all refreshing. I thought when I got big, this wouldn't happen anymore. Please, no, there's still a turd in there. Stop it! I give up! I'll give you anything you want. Please don't put my head in there. Look at me. I got the eye of the tiger and the heart of a lion. You can't hold me. I thought I told you that I won't stop. Nobody can stop us. We run this school. Are you sure you want to go against us? Does Goodwill do hats too? Cool, thanks. I'm the greatest! Biff rules! I told you I'd win. Oh, thank God it's over. I thought it would never end. Good job, fellas. Now that's teamwork. Way to go, guys. That's what you get for being a 0. Next time, have lunch money. I bet you liked that, didn't you? You're lucky that will only bruise. Keep your eye on the prize. You need to stay focused. This place is turning to crap. What the hell is that? Hey, 0, I was watching that.